Yeah. This afternoon, the brief is on the current Tropical Cyclone Ula, which is a severe tropical cyclone. A storm warning remained in force for Kabara, Namuka, Fulaga, Ogea, Vatoa and Ono-I-Lau. A gale force warning remains in force for Moce, Oneata, Matuku, Totoya and Komo. A strong wind warning remains in force for the rest of Lau Group, Eastern Viti Levu, Lomaiviti Group, Kadavu, Taveuni, and the nearby smaller islands and Eastern Vanua Levu. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, severe tropical cyclone Ula, category 3, was located near 19.8 degrees south and 178.5 degrees west, or about 110 kilometers southeast of Kabara, or about 100 kilometers northeast of Ono-I-Lau. Tropical cyclone Ula continues to move west-southwest at about 16 kilometers per hour and may intensify further. Close to its center, the cyclone is expected to have average wind speeds of 150 kilometers per hour and momentary gusts of 205 kilometers per hour. On this track, the cyclone is expected to lie about 150 kilometers south of Kabara or about 65 kilometers northwest of Ono-I-Lau at 7 p.m. tonight, and about 210 kilometers southwest of Kabara or about 90 kilometers west of Ono-I-Lau at 1 a.m. tomorrow morning.